Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying your iPhone iOS version and making a quick backup. This protects settings if something changes. Once done, install and open shortcuts. This is how you create custom app icons without jailbreaking. Make sure to collect your icons, wallpaper, and any widget images ahead of time because preparing assets speeds the process. Now create a new shortcut for one app. This first actionable step demonstrates the icon replacement workflow and sets the pattern you will repeat. Next, you replicate the procedure for multiple apps. In Shortcuts, create an action to open the app, tap the shortcut icon, and choose your custom image, then add it to the home screen. Meanwhile, configure widgets using Widgetsmith or your chosen app. Set small, medium, or large sizes and the refresh frequency so data stays current. Once you finish adding icons and widgets, arrange them on pages and use folders plus the app library to hide stock icons and reinforce the new look. To finish, go through each shortcut and confirm it launches the intended app. Check that notifications work because some shortcuts may not show badges. Once satisfied, fine-tune wallpapers and configure focus modes to switch pages automatically. This helps maintain theme consistency. If anything goes wrong, icons revert or shortcuts fail, first restart your iPhone, then reapply the shortcut icons or remove any conflicting configuration profiles. If needed, restore your backup. That recovers the previous layout quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.